Hi, I'm Rob Pryor. I'm an illustrator and a director, and I'm here to teach you how to pitch your comic strip. And in general, it's going to be how to pitch your comic idea, whether you're an artist or you're a writer. These are the essential things that I think that you're going to need in order to do that. The first thing is the idea itself. So you need to have a script. In this particular instance, I have page 23 from a book that I'm doing called Blood Merchant. And this was written, handed to me, and the company that picked this up, the writers went to them and gave them this script. Now, if you're pitching your art and story, not only do you need to have the written page, but you'll also need to have the artwork. Something that I find really handy when I'm pitching something is not only to have the written and some of the artwork, but a little bit of a background on some of the characters. So what I've done in this particular instance is I've done a little bit of artwork, and then I've made the characters, I've showed their age, I've said a little bit about them, so the publisher can get a full idea of your idea. They know what the characters are like, they can read your story, and they can take a look at your artwork. Make sure that it's done in a nice, neat way, and it's not messy with just a bunch of tape and stuff's all strapped down. You just need to make sure that they can see it and it's concise. And that's how to pitch a comic strip. I'm Rob Pryor, and take a look out for my movie, which is called No Turning Back, from the Silver Lining Media Group. Thanks.